So we've got our section of trail cleared out here. So next we're going to lay down the fabric. We're just going to lay it down the width of the fabric across this area, and then we're going to lie the logs down on either side and stake those in to keep them in place. And that's going to secure that center area of the fabric and the trail, where we're going to fill in with stone and keep the borders secure. We're going to add the fabric staples into the fabric, keep that down in the ground, and then cover it up with the stone and mineral soil. So we have our fabric down in place, and we have the staples holding that down, and we've lined the logs on either side with wooden stakes and rebar on the inside and out to keep those in place. So now we're ready to fill in the center with our stone. Okay, so now we have our soil laid out over the top here, so our top tread is set, and now any moisture should be able to drain underneath and keep the top layer dry for anybody coming through and using the trail.